PaySafe, a leading global payments provider, offers individuals the opportunity to earn money through its affiliate programs and by integrating its payment solutions into their businesses. Here's how you can leverage PaySafe to generate income. Join the PaySafe Card Affiliate Program. Registration. Sign up for the PaySafe Card Affiliate Program by completing the registration form. Onboarding. After registration, an account handler will guide you through the onboarding process, ensuring you understand how to effectively promote PaySafe Card. Earning commission. As an affiliate, you can earn a 20% revenue share commission by recommending PaySafe Card to your network. Utilize Income Access for affiliate marketing. Platform overview. Income Access, a PaySafe company, specializes in affiliate marketing solutions tailored for the iGaming, Forex, and lottery industries. Affiliate solutions. By partnering with Income Access, you can access tailored affiliate marketing solutions designed to drive revenue in the iGaming, Forex, and lottery industries. Integrate PaySafe Card into your business. Payment solutions. If you operate an online business, integrating PaySafe Card allows you to accept secure cash payments online. Benefits. Offering PaySafe Card as a payment method can attract customers who prefer prepaid solutions, potentially increasing your sales and customer base. Leverage digital wallets. Skrill and NetTeller. PaySafe's digital wallets, Skrill and NetTeller, enable businesses to accept payments from millions of users worldwide. Business growth. By integrating these digital wallets, you can expand your payment options, catering to a broader audience and enhancing your revenue streams.